How to make Google Slides play automatically. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Google Slides play automatically. So first, create your presentation in Google Slides, and once you are finished, you have two options to set it up to play automatically. So let's start with option 1, that is to publish to web. So to do that, simply click on Files, and from the drop down menu, simply click on Share. Now, after that, simply click on Publish and set the auto advance slides time every 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or even 1 minute. You can check Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads, so it plays automatically. Or you can also enable Restart Slideshow after the last slides to loop the presentation, but it's totally optional. And now, once everything is done, you can simply click on Publish and confirm OK and copy the provided link. And now, open the new tab and paste the link and search for it, and the slideshow will start playing automatically. So now with that, let's move forward to the option 2, that is to start slideshow from Google Slides. So simply go back to your Google Slide presentation, and once you are there, simply click on the slideshow button, which is seen in the left side of the screen. And once you do that, the slideshow will begin to play automatically. And that's how you make Google Slides play automatically. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.